Today we are going to cook up a delicious breakfast which is hearty, healthy and easy to make. It's our breakfast beans and eggs recipe, and it's amazing how such simple ingredients, when used correctly, can transform an otherwise boring dish. Plus, it's something that will keep you satisfied for hours because of the high protein and high fibre content. As well as our high protein version of this, we've got a weight loss friendly version of it too, which, while still high in protein, is a bit more calorie friendly if weight loss is your goal. I've put a link to the recipe in the description and comment section of this video, so you can go check it out if you want. But for now, let's head to the Hurry the Food Up kitchen and get cooking. Add some olive oil to a non-stick pan and then add a smashed garlic clove, cooking it lightly to release the flavour. Once it's browned, you can take it out as you're done with it. Now add cherry tomatoes to the pan, give them some salt, pepper, thyme and oregano, and cook them until they are soft and starting to burst open. Now add some red wine vinegar and water, cooking for a few minutes until it's boiling. At this point, you can add your white beans and honey to the mixture and give it all a stir in. You can put this on the side now until later. In a bowl, crack your eggs and add some salt, pepper, cumin and chili flakes, and then whisk it all together. Add oil to a non-stick pan, heat and then add your eggs, continually stirring whilst they cook. At this point, you can put your bread in the toaster so that once they're at your desired runniness, you can remove them. Plate it all up and you're ready for a feast. Eggs, beans and tomatoes are a classic, but often not that much thought goes into them. By adding a bit of a twist to it, some herbs and spices, you can make it so much more exciting and so much tastier. So that's it for this one. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you don't already, and make sure you check out one of these two videos for more delicious recipes.